This is Scrapbook.com, and today we're looking at some fun kits from Simple Stories. There are card kits and page kits, so it's cards and pages. And these are going to be in a couple different collection themes, and they create cards and scrapbook layouts, and they have everything you need in them. So I'm going to open one in a minute to show you what's in them, but I wanted to share the different options that are available to you. So this one makes 8 cards. It's the Sending Sunshine card kit. You can see that it has everything you need to make these 8 cards. How fun is that? You can just get it all. You don't have to worry about cutting things out. Everything you need is in here, including the card bases, I would like to say. Another design option is the pages, like I said. This creates 4 beautiful pages in these designs. There are 2 double page layouts, so they can be front to back. And again, everything you need is in here, as well as the Dreamer set. Look at that. It creates a big layout. You can, of course, display them separately, but it's fun to have them displayed together, just like that. So that creates 4 pages as well. I'm going to show you one of the card making kits right now and open it up and see kind of what you get inside. So I've went ahead and opened the Hello Lovely card kit. It says simple cards, and it gives you everything you need to create 8 unique handmade cards, including the card bases. All you need to have separately is adhesive from your own supply. That's all you need. So when you open it, this is what you see. Instructions. You have everything you need to know is right here, how to make them. It's your little recipe card. Keep that. And then everything you need is just laid out here beautifully for you. You have the card bases ready to go. You have stickers, and they tell you exactly what to do. You can even customize them. Lots of stickers. Look at all of these for decorating. Wow. You have the card fronts. And they just pop right out of the pages. So everything you need to make beautiful, handmade, unique cards without having to worry what to pick, what goes well together, what should I use. They're all here in the new Simple Cards and Simple Pages kits from Simple Stories, and you can find all of these at Scrapbook.com.